friends, welcome to Leelalicious. I'm Regina and today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie energy bites. These little bite-sized treats are deliciously fall flavored with pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie spice, and they make a perfect snack after school, when you're having a cup of coffee or tea, after the gym, anytime you feel like a little pick-me-up. And they're super easy and quick to make in your food processor, and then you can store them in the fridge to have ready to grab and go. To start, we need 1 cup of dates.
Soak the dates in hot water for about 10 minutes to soften them. And remove the pits. Add all of the soaked, pitted dates to a food processor. If you don't want to use dates, you can also make these energy bites by replacing the 1 cup of dates with 1/3 cup of peanut or almond butter and about 1/4 cup of maple syrup or a sugar-free liquid alternative. Then add 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. This is great to use up any leftover canned pumpkin puree, or you can also use homemade. I made my own puree this time from a homegrown pumpkin. Next, add 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'm using my own homemade mix. I'm going to link the recipe below so you can make your own as well. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Now close the food processor lid and blend everything until smooth and combined. You may have to stop the food processor once in a while and scrape down the sides with a spatula to make sure that everything gets evenly incorporated. Now we need 1 cup of nuts. I'm using roasted almonds this time. Cashews are also great, as well as peanuts or pecans. Then add 1/4 cup of chia seeds. You can also substitute another seed. Hemp hearts especially are great to add some protein. And optionally, you can also add some protein powder to these energy bites. Use 1 to 2 scoops or 2 to 4 tablespoons. Close the food processor again. And now pulse continuously to combine the ingredients and coarsely chop the nuts. Don't process for too long because we don't want them to be completely blended in and disappear. But a little bit of a nutty crunch is going to be so great in the energy bites. Now check your mixture. If it's very soft, especially if you didn't use protein powder, chill it for about half an hour to let it firm up. This will make rolling so much easier. I'm using a small cookie scoop. 1 scoop holds about 1 tablespoon. And then roll these tablespoon-sized portions of the mixture between your hands to form a ball. If the idea of individually rolling 16 energy bites seems like too much effort for you, you can also use a silicone ice cube tray. Spread the mixture into the ice cube tray and then chill it in the fridge or freezer until firm enough to pop out. I like to roll at least some of the energy bites in some desiccated coconut. Add the rolled energy bites to an airtight container and store in the fridge for about a week or in the freezer for up to 3 months. And then you have a little quick snack ready to take out one at a time whenever you need it.
And this is how you make fall flavored pumpkin pie spice energy bites. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make this recipe. If you do, please let me know in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. Also, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now so you will never miss a new video from me. And I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.